Right, we're going to be looking at doing the isometric projection of this third angle orthographic projection over here. So to start with, they've given us a point A on the drawing and over here, so I need to draw from that point. I'm going to start out, I'm going to draw a little construction line going up from point A. I'm going to draw a line going out at 30 degrees there, a line going out at 30 degrees there, and I'm going to then measure off. It says that it is 12 millimeters in height, so I measure off 12 millimeters quickly and mark that off over there. I can then draw a line going out at 30 degrees there and a line going out at 30 degrees there. Once I've got that in place, it says that I've got a square over here, and that's 62 by 62, so I measure off 62 millimeters, and I measure that off over here, 62 millimeters over there, and I can literally draw in that side over there nice and quickly, and that story over there. Right, I could measure 62 millimeters off there, but I know it's a square, so if I take a line going across like that, that intersection over there will give me that 62 millimeters that I would have had to have spent time measuring, and it's just a lot quicker to do it that way. Right, I'm not going to do the back of that square because I've got this pyramid over here with a pentagonal base that needs to go in here, which would mean that there would be hidden detail at the back there, and we don't need to do that. So I'm going to start out and I'm going to do the auxiliary view of that pentagon. It says that I've got a side length of 30 millimeters. If you look over here, you can see how that links up with that corner over there. That links up with that corner over there, giving me 30 millimeters there. So I'm going to come up over here and I'm going to draw in a side length of 30 millimeters. Right, 30 millimeters there. I'm going to set my pair of compasses to that 30 millimeters. And I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to go to the other side of that, and I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to take that same radius to that intersection of the two circles, and I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to draw a line going straight up over here. I'm going to draw a line going from the intersection of these two circles through the intersection of that bisector line with the circle over there, going up to that circle over there, and the same story over here from the intersection of those two circles through that point over there, going up to that circle over there, and that should give me the 72-degree angle that I require for my pentagon. Draw that in over there and over there, and once I've done that, I take my pair of compasses again, still set at the 30, and I can then mark off the top point of that pentagon over there, the top corner at least, and over there. Right, there's my pentagon done. What I need to do is to try and figure out where that pentagon is going to lie on that square base. You can see it's smack in the middle over there. So I need to find where the middle of this square base is. What I can do there is I can just draw a line going straight up over there. Where that intersects with that, that would be the middle of my square. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw in some center lines. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Okay, and I'll draw another little long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Just helps me to locate things. Okay, what I need to do now is to try and find the center of this pentagon. The way that I would do that, I know that that length over there is half the length of the side. So if I take that length and I knock it in over here, I then have the center of that side, and if I join that up with the corner of that pentagon over there, I will have found the center of my pentagon. Right. Knowing that, it says that that base side over there, okay, is at the back of the object, okay? So I'm going to measure that distance to the center. I'm going to come over here to my drawing and mark that off on that center line. right? I'm going to take that point over there and draw a construction line going back like that. I then come over here and I get the measurement of half the length of the side, pop it in over there, mark it off over there, and mark it off over there. Right, once I've got that, I'm then going to say, all right, how far to the front of this pentagon? Okay, that distance over there, well, I can go from there all the way to there. I've just found that point over there, and I can mark off where the front of this pentagon is. Okay, should be about over there. I think that my pentagon over here might be slightly inaccurate. Let's just measure that again. Yeah, no, that's it. Okay, that's in the right place. Okay. Okay, what I need to do now is to try and figure out where these two corners are. So I'm going to draw a line going across there. I'm going to measure from that line up to that point over there. Take that measurement, mark it off over here, and I'm going to draw a line going back over there. I can now take this measurement from that center to that point over there, mark it off over there, turn that round and mark it off over here. Oops. Okay, that will give me a measurement over here, going back over there, going to that corner over there, right? And I think I can also see that little piece of line over there, right? Once I've got that, I'm not going to complete this pentagon, okay, because that would end up being construction lines going from there to there, and not construction lines, hidden detail. We don't need to draw in the hidden detail. What we do need is to find the apex of our pyramid. So I'm going to draw a line going up over here, all right, and I'm going to measure off, it says 56 millimeters to the top there. Measure off 56, bring it to that center, mark that off over there, and I can now take a line which is going to go from that corner of my pentagon up to there, that corner up to there, from that corner to there, and from that corner to there. Once I've got that in place, I can now finish off that square base going back over there, and that square base going back over there. Right, that's the drawing done.